whispering your name. Every drop reminds me love never fades. I see your face in the puddles below, echoes of laughter. Where did you go? Your hands once warm, now shadows touch. I didn't know I could miss this much. Whispers in the rain, calling out again. Every tear I hide falls just the same. If you ever dream of me tonight, know my heart still glows in the pale moonlight. Our song plays slow in the city haze. We were forever for 1,000 days. Now I walk alone, but I still feel you near. Love doesn't vanish, it changes its gear. Let the storm come, let it wash me clean. I'll find my peace where you have been. I love you quiet, I love you firm. A whisper carried by the stars. Soft rain fades, but your voice remains. A gentle echo, my heart's refrain.